Guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to make bird chop. We have veggies in the freezer to stay fresh longer. Recipe, I'll be using kale, broccoli, capsicum, carrot, and green jalapenos. Green jalapenos aren't spicy for birds, so you can use them. Now you can use any other vegetable, but you have to make sure that it's not toxic for your bird. I'm going to cut all of my vegetables into thin slices. You get a little bit of time so they don't waste all the veggies. The excess away. Excess carrot away. To cut these up into thinner slices. That they cut in fine pieces, I can put it into Grampy's bowl. If you wanted, you could also add grains, chia seeds or sprouted seeds to your veggie diet, but you don't have to.